As a tradesman, being on your knees most of the day, you're going to know that you want to protect them at all times. To ensure that you can work all day, every day, we have the Scan Gel Knee Pad here. It offers a triple layer protection system to ensure maximum comfort and protection for you, the tradesman. On the outside, the first layer is a non-marking cap, which is air injected for the initial impact protection. It is also flat, so when you're wearing them, when the pressure is applied, you can see here that it rolls and sits nice and flat. This is ideal for offering a stable base when you're working, when you're laying screeding on floor and you need a wider surface area for working. If you're doing a lot of roofing jobs, you need a stable, balanced base to make sure that you remain safe when working at height. The second layer, all enhancing the impact protection, is something you can't see, but there is a gel foam layer that sits in between the outer cap and the inside liner. Again, all adding up for the impact protection, also adding the durability when working on site all day. On the inside, you've got a neoprene lined foam back padding. Now this is the final section, which is the part that's in contact with your knee, whether it be over the top of some workwear trousers or not. It aids the comfort, it aids the fit, and is that third layer in that protection system. Being on your knees all day, you're going to know that if you're kneeling in any sort of mucky conditions, you're going to get wet knees. We've also got waterproof material here for the outer shell, which is where the cap attaches to. We've also got two hook and loop adjustable neoprene straps to make sure you get optimum fit to aid for the comfort of this product. All these safety features combined means that these knee pads are manufactured to EN 14404 safety standard, which means in the kneeling position, they're going to be protecting you against 100 newtons of impact. So there you have it, the new triple protection gel knee pad from Scan.